In order to start a discussion using Google Classroom Stream, go to the Stream interface and post a message as you would usually do whenever you make an announcement to your class. Choose your class and then choose your students and start typing your message. Remember, this is a very basic way of starting a discussion, and it is not something you would use if you wanted to set up a graded discussion. This can be used more like an icebreaker, or if you're getting inputs for a class event, or you want to get students to know each other. So those are the times when you would use this discussion. And remember to just put a title that makes it easy for students to know that it's a discussion, and then post. And then now if I log in as a student, I can see the discussion question and I'm going to post my response. So this is the response being posted by student 1. The student hits post. This is what the student sees after posting the message. And now I'm logged in as another student, student 2. And I see the discussion question and the response posted by student 1, and I can post my response in turn to the question and to either counter, agree with, or to add to what student 1 has said. So this could also be like a group discussion of sorts. You can design it in whatever way you like. But remember, this is a very basic method of setting up a discussion in Google Classroom Stream. If you want a more regular method of having a graded discussion, then you can use the classwork option, which we will go into in more detail in a later section of this course. So this is a fairly simple process, and if you have any questions, please do feel free to post it in the comments.